Hi friends, welcome to my channel Sada UX Code. Today I am going to create a mesh background effects in the Figma tool. First I have taken frame with the name it's called mesh background. Okay. Then the first step is we need to create a shapes with ellipse like this. Duplicate it like this. Increase the size to fill the gaps. Yeah, now change the colors. Even we can change the colors later after apply the mesh effects. Just roughly I'm adding the colors. Say blue color I'm going to apply here. Yeah, done, right? Then we need to double click on this particular ellipse and we can fill the gaps with these anchor points like this. Random shapes I'm going to create. Yeah, done, right? Now I'm selecting all these ellipse and going to add effects. Going to effects panel, click on add button. Then change it drop shadow to layer blur. So layer blur will be applied. If you will increase the blur, then layer will be applied. Like 250 I'm applying. See, layer blur is applied. This is a kind of background effect we can use for your backgrounds. Later we can change the colors. If you want to change the color of the particular, see like this. If you want more brightness or more contrast according to the output, see we can change the color here. See, like this. Okay. Now select all these ellipse and group it. Then take a rectangle. Like if you want to showcase any cards or credit cards or any kind of cards, user profile cards, you can create this background effects. Changing the color of this background, this card. 60 is not enough for this. Yeah, I'm adding a glossy effect here, like this. Okay, see how beautiful it is looking. This card is looking like a glossy. Just change like that. See, assume this is a credit card. Add a credit card, any dummy number. Give the more space between these card elements. Yeah, this is the output of this background. This is the final proof. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.